Alright, this is an Amiga 1000 in my trash heap. Might restore it, might do some modding on it. Don't know yet. Let's take a look inside. This is where the 256K RAM module goes in, bringing it up to a total of 512K. Amiga 1000 only has 256K of RAM. This board that you're looking at here, that's specifically a RAM board for the Kickstart ROM, because there is no Kickstart ROM, there's just a bootstrap ROM. Normally you load Kickstart from the floppy disk, and it goes into this WCS board. And then you can boot Workbench, or whatever else you want to boot. Let's see what else we got. On the back you've got the video out, another TV out for the RF modulator. I don't know what that is. That must be the monitor port. Audio, serial port, floppy port, printer port, and the keyboard port. I don't have a keyboard. Gotta get that later. I do have 3 mice though. We've got the good old Commodore Tank mouse, a later Commodore mouse, and this Atari Amiga mouse. So you can switch it between Amiga and Atari. Well, if I decide to build this out, let me know which mouse I should use. Which one you like better?